Hey yo, I'm back. It's the start of a new month. We've got monthly, dailies, and I've got 200 balance to start off with today. Oh, there isn't really a purpose for this video today. Let's just hope I get something. Ooh, 5%. This one though, monthly, is where it is. Okay, we do not want any of these bottom ones. We want the knife upwards. Like that. Okay. Perfect. But yeah, I have no purpose for this video, it's just a random recording. Fills from the leaderboard, like I said, I've just dropped, so I've split it between two videos. I'm doing 200 now and 350 next video, whenever I upload this one, not sure, but I'm feeling very lucky. We're going to start things off with a nice simple 3-player shared private. Yep, perfect. Let's go. Never had it. Oh, here we go. Okay. Locking. Okay. That's not good. If we get a crown foil, that's money back and profit. Never mind. That is not a crown foil. Double. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to lock in. Perfect. Terrific. Fantastic. We've still got a 10% knife, which will hit now. Or not. My beautiful BCX case. Hit. You don't hit anymore. Battles, create, 3-player shared. I don't know why I do this to myself. 36. 04. Obviously, we want them to hit, not us. Hopefully, we get something beautiful. Go down. Okay. Right now, crown foil. Gonna get gold on the bottom. That's a bait. We still win. Wow, so much money. 3-player shared. We're gonna go. Gont's got a new case. That one. Yep. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see what. Hopefully, we hit something tremendous. 10% gloves is trash case. No clue I put it in. In this case, maybe 10%, but it sucks. That's all I can say. It sucks. I'm sensing there's a lot of reds, so I'm going green. Yep. Was going to go black, but we're going green instead. If I hit this, I'll solo open a Kingy, just to prove solo openings are amazing. Didn't want to open it. Here is a bonus clip, because apparently I can't withdraw it yet. I have to spend the full amount. So we are going to do a 418.75 battle. 3-player shared, and we have a lot of cases. We've got 10 cases total, so let's go. Okay, here we go. First case. Okay, not good. 5% Asimov. Never hits for me. That would have been good, 200 each. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Getting something back at least. What will it be? And it's the worst one. Let me guess, yep. The keys. What is in it? Oh wow. Okay. 5% rifle will give us that, which is a bait hit. No, it's not. BCX, do me proud. Thank you, BCX. B fade, huntsman or a flip knife at least. No purple, no red, and I get purple. Okay, BCX 2. Nope. Okay. These are the cases that we want. We've got hard-boiled, donut, and big balls left. Hard boiled, I've never hit out of. Let's be out. That's why. Donut. Hit. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Big balls. Oh, it's baited. And of course I got carried. And yeah. I mean, we lost money, but I had to gamble it to a draw anyway, so... Anyway, this is the actual end of the video now. Bye!